There's another one, unique blade, and there's actual telling you how it works and the mechanism inside of it, like a little sneak peek. I really like that. Okay, let's open it safely. Probably gonna go from this side. Actually, let's do it right here. Also, I'm trying to do it careful and not to scratch up the blade or the actual holder. Yeah, this is way better knife packaging. They just fall out pretty good. First of all, let's look at this. Yeah, beautiful knife. I love this curve and up and down, kind of wavy. Let's feel it. Oh yeah, very comfortable. Check this out. So yeah, wanna like do carving, chopping, whatever. There's a brand of it, but you saw it on the packaging. Yeah, okay. How do we close it? Ooh, this is nice. Okay, there's a flipper here too. Okay, this is the locking mechanism. Wow, look how it's like interesting flipping right here. No way, yeah, I feel it that there is an arm in here, that's for sure. You see how this right here kind of doesn't feel like it's all together. No, this is all one blade, but I definitely feel the arm inside of it, probably on this side. That is so cool. Yeah, again, this is a right-handed knife. So the simplest way to open it is just flip it like that, one more time, and close it. The simplest way, kind of do it with two hands. Just grab it like that and help it out carefully. So this is super easy, and it feels like there's some kind of arm in there that is definitely helps out, kick it out. That's why it's not even flying out that quickly unless you flick it faster. But yeah, you can hear the mechanism working in there, clicking. But yeah, also another way to open it and close it, check this out. I guess you push it down. All you have to do is just hold it down and it will close by gravity. Every time. As long as you hold it down like that, it will fall. You do have to have a good push to it as well. Because if you're holding it up like that, let's see what happens. We're holding it up. Oh, sometimes if you kick it hard enough, it will go down. You see, but it most of the time will get stuck. And I'm even using two hands. So yeah, you can just kick it hard enough and it will come off open all the way. Okay, that's cool. So you really have to kick it pretty good. But what about closing it? Closing it doesn't work as much. Okay, all you have to do is kick it really hard. And that way it's not gravity operated. Okay, that's good to know. So instead of just pulling on it, you see, it's not every time if you try to pull on it. It gets stuck over here. So you want to do kind of flick it. I'll tell you what, if you practice a lot, look at my skin on the nail. It's kind of giving me a blister. I'm tired now. But makes sense, right? If you flick it really good, it will close it. But again, you can open it this way too. So multiple way to open it and close it. And obviously you can just do it with two hands, like that too. So 3 ways to open it and close. Very nice knife. I really like it a lot. Let me know in comments below what do you think. That is so cool.